Hello. So recently I'm focusing on making Morse code keypad, especially for the Elec-key, electric keypad. Indeed, most of, I guess, 100% of amateur radio shortwave transceiver will have a built-in Elec-key, electric key function. But for utilizing that, we need some kind of a keypad. But unfortunately, they are very expensive, around $100. Maybe rich people doesn't care, but for me, a bit expensive. So I made several things. This is the initial one. It's made by a 3D printer, and here is a plug and connected to the transceiver and working well. But it is not so stable like a sliding. So this is a second version. It has a big base made of a ceramic. Indeed, this is a tile, floor tile, and working well. And now finally I will finalize the final version of Elec-key utilizing the Japanese ceramic with 3D printing. Indeed, this tile is Japanese traditional Mino-ware in Gifu Prefecture in Japan, and its precision is very excellent. Its flatness is very excellent. Also, the surface is very nice. And here, this is a final version, and let's see how it works. I will connect. This is connected to the transceiver, and connect. And just let's listen only the side tone. Of course, we can increase the speed. Like that. We can activate the Elec-key function by using this key. And indeed, I will release for this Elec-key for my tindie store, but I have one precaution. Indeed, it is a tile, and it is not made for these purposes. So indeed, it has some defect on the surface for each tile. For example, here. Indeed, the surface is not perfect as a traditional Japanese ceramic ware, but it is. I believe it is enough beautiful and very useful for the casual amateur radio operation. Have fun!